Good morning everyone, welcome back to my car for another vlog. I'm gonna take you on the road with me today to my shoots and everything I have going on today. So basically I thought it'd be kind of a good day for this because right now I'm heading to Princeton, New Jersey. I got a big shoot there. It's a 7,000 square foot, like $3.5 million house. Doing photos, I'm doing a Matterport tour, I'm doing drone there, so that's going to take up the first half of my day. It's going to be like 3 to 4 hours probably, so that's going to be the first half of my day. And then this afternoon I have 2 more shoots, and then at the end of the day I have a Zoom meeting with a couple agents that I shoot for their team, and they want to do a video series, kind of a lifestyle thing, a couple agents every month, a couple videos every month. So pretty busy day for me as usual today. So let's hit the road out to Princeton and check this house out. I'm imagining it's probably going to be pretty impressive, so it should be a cool shoot. Alright, arrived at the shoot here. It was about an hour drive, so, you know, a bit of a hike for this one, but again, you know, I'm doing photos, Matterport, drone here, so, you know, a nice paying gig, definitely worth it. So yeah, again, 7,000 square feet, house looks nice, hopefully, you know, it's ready to go, and we'll see how long this takes me. Hopefully I can get it done within like 3.5 hours, I'm hoping, at the most. So yeah, I think that's reasonable. Let's see. Alright, so I finished the photos of this first shoot. Took me about an hour and a half or so. I'm hoping I can do the Matterport in about the same amount of time, hopefully maybe even faster, I don't know, we'll see. And then I gotta do drone, so yeah, but it's going well. No one's really living in the house, so it's, you know, pretty easy, nothing really, you know, no problems, nothing in the way. So I'm gonna get this Matterport going. I am using the Matterport Pro 2 today. I know I usually use the Z1, but I actually have this camera from a friend that I've been using, so I've had it in my possession for a little while, so I'm just going to use that, so that way I don't have to worry about battery life and stuff. With the Z1, that's like the biggest problem, so I don't have to worry about it. With the Pro 2 camera, it lasts like forever, so I'm just going to use that today, make my life easier. The Z1 is a little faster though, so, you know, but again, I won't have to worry about the battery, so I'm going to do that now, and then take it from there. So as I said before, the Z1 is faster than the Matterport Pro 2, but there is a perk to the Matterport Pro 2, which is, see, on this side of the camera, there is no cameras or anything. See, they're all on this side. If you're familiar with this, you can see the laser coming into the lens right now. But so what that means is that when you actually operate this, it spins, so you can just walk behind it on the back side and never have to leave the room as it scans, as long as you have enough room to walk around the tripod. So that saves a ton of time, obviously, because you're not walking all the way out of the room, scanning, waiting for it to finish, then walking back into the room. You're not doing that every time. With the Z1, you have to do that because it just takes everything all at once, so there's no hiding from the camera in the room. So yeah, so that's just one perk of the Matterport Pro 2, which kind of makes up for the speed difference between the two. So just something to think about if you are unfamiliar with this camera or considering getting it. So yeah. All right, so I finished the Matterport. Man, it's tedious, especially on like a 7,000 square foot house. I really don't love doing Matterports, but it is what it is. It's done now. I'm over 3 hours in on this shoot at this point. It's taking a little longer than I hoped it would. I'm gonna be a little late now to my next shoot, so I'm gonna be playing catch up all day, and I hate getting behind like this, but it's just part of the game, I guess. It happens more often than I like, I guess, but I'm hungry, so I would like to eat, but I don't think that's happening. So it is what it is. I still got to do drone, but that's only going to take me like 10-15 minutes. I'm only doing photos, so I'm going to do that now, get back on the road, and hopefully make it to this next shoot somewhat on time.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so drone is done. I'm gonna head out now. I got another hour drive back to my area where this shoot is. So I'm gonna be about like a half an hour late to this. It's all good. Realtor knows. Is what it is. It happens. Drone shoot went pretty well. I'm having connection problems like with my phone. It like constantly disconnects. I don't know. I don't think there's any, like I cleaned this port out, the lightning port out on my iPhone, and I don't know. It seems fine. I don't know why it's just disconnecting. If anyone out there has had a similar problem, let me know, because it's real annoying. The past like 2 or 3 days I've been doing drone shoots, and constantly it's just like disconnecting from my phone, and the app just goes blank, and I have to like pull it out, put it back in, and you know, I get it back, but it's just constantly happening, so it's really annoying. Anyway, heading out to the next shoot, so we'll see you there. Okay, arrived to my next shoot. You know, about a half an hour, a little bit more late, so hopefully I can get through this fairly quickly and get back on track, because I have another shoot after this, and it's a bit of a drive too. So kind of a challenging day today as far as schedule goes. Something throws you off. It's just like a domino effect, and then you're trying to play catch up all day. So hopefully I can do this fairly quickly and get back on track or close to it. So this is not that big of a house. It's probably like 1700 square feet. So kind of just, you know, fairly small, not that big. I'll try to get some shots inside, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I'm back already. I didn't shoot anything in there. There's really just nothing worth shooting. It was just chaotic. Like, there were kids running around. The place was a little bit of a rough shape, and the pizza man showed up when I got there. They did offer me a slice of pizza though, which was nice. You know, it was just crazy. I just kind of had to muddle my way through and get it done. Nothing like going from the $3.5 million house we did this morning to this house, you know, big difference. But that's real estate photography for you. That's the business we're in. So anyway, I didn't gain any time back on that. It didn't go as fast as I want, so I'm still like a little over a half an hour behind, so I have to get to my next shoot. You know, I'm gonna be a little bit late for that as well, so I'm gonna get to it. All right, I just got to my last shoot. I think they're looking at me right now, so and I'm late, so I gotta get in there and do it, but I'll try to get some shots in there. All right, so that was the final shoot of the day, completed. It was much smaller than I even thought it was gonna be. It was just like a one-room like beach condo here in Point Pleasant, which, you know, is a much different place than a week ago. Now it's after Labor Day. All the summer people pretty much have gone home, which to us local people is kind of a relief. It's kind of like one of my favorite times of the year. place quiets down a little bit. School's starting. My son is going to school tomorrow for the first day. Hopefully I have some more time on my hands coming up, you know, or freed up, I should say, on bad weather days, so I can get some more videos out on this channel and all that. It's been tough. Like, that's my biggest challenge, is like managing all my time, and like I'm shooting. It's been super busy. Like, I've been super busy all summer long, all year long, really. It's been crazy. Just non-stop working all day, every day, all nights, and just like trying to edit stuff, and it's just crazy. And then, you know, of course, trying to get these videos out on the YouTube channel, in addition to just shooting real estate every single day. It's very, very challenging. I'm also, you know, of course, you know, spending time with my family, trying to do that. And I'm also in a band. I play music. So it's just like all those things. It's just like a crazy juggling act. And, you know, I'm not complaining. Like, I'm stoked on life, and I'm just very grateful for everything. Thank you guys for being, you know, a part of this channel and coming on this ride with me. My regular career has been super busy and has been growing, and this YouTube channel also has been growing, and I'm just so proud of that, and proud of everything that's been happening, and just like the community that's evolved from this whole thing, and getting to know some of you guys, and just hearing all the awesome, you know, comments and stuff, and hearing that it's helped a lot of people is just like, I can't even explain how awesome that is and how proud that makes me. And just, I'm so glad that I've been able to help some people out there, and you know, I hope that it's been helpful for a lot of you guys. So I have this Zoom meeting coming up now. I was hoping to get home before I had to do it and do it on my computer, but I only have like 7 minutes until it happens, so I'm gonna have to just do it here in the car. I'm gonna take the next few minutes and just maybe like fly the drone around. I'm right down by the beach. Ironically, I'm right in the same exact spot pretty much that I flew the drone around, and like in that foggy weather, like in this vlog like a couple episodes ago or whatever. And that was right before the summer, and here we are right at the end of the summer, and I'm in the same spot. You know, it's kind of funny it worked out that way. But yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna get some shots.
There he is. Hey, Mike is on here.
Hey.
There. He just wrapped up a shoot.
What's up? What's up, fellas? Yeah, I thought I was gonna be home by now, but I got behind today, so I'm in the car. I just had to download the app on my phone because I don't think I've never zoomed on my phone before. All right, so that's pretty much it for me today. I'm on my way home. I just had to stop at the store. I have to grab something for my son. It's his first day of school tomorrow, and he needs something, so I had to stop here. But that's it for me. I'm heading home after this to hang out, do some work, whatever. But thank you for joining me today on this journey. I will catch you guys again soon in the next one.